Hey, what's going on everyone? My name is Scott. Welcome to my channel. We're going to be talking about winning today at dropshipping. How do you win, my friends? Well, first of all, you need a winning product. And today we're going to be breaking down this pet toy flying saucer ball. It's pretty amazing. It actually gets scrunched down and then you could toss it as a saucer to the dog and then they have like a ball slash saucer. It's pretty tight. And I'm going to be sharing with you the TikTok video, the Facebook video, and then also breaking down their product page and why I like their product page. And while it is working, it is converting, and they are making almost $500,000 this last few months, my friend. We're going to be breaking down the sales that they've been doing. Almost $500,000, $544,000, my friend, just in the last few months. So this is an amazing product. It's highly converting. How is it working for the store? So this is what I'm going to be breaking down in this video. I hope you're excited for this. I'm also going to be sharing with you another store that I absolutely love. It's high converting. So if you thought that this one is high converting, then you're going to see a big difference in what it really takes to stand out from your competition and get an exclusive breakdown, my friends, of 2 successful Shopify stores and to see which one is the winner. How many of you are excited for that? If you're excited, definitely hit that like button because this product page is fire, my friends. Look at the moving GIFs, the colors. I mean, don't take away credit from the pet store. I mean, this is an amazing product, Oh Wow Pet, but this is another level, my friends, when it comes to the actual product page. And it's gonna help you determine which one is the winner for which type of store that you are looking for. So you know the type of product page that you need to have for your business. So you're not, wasting money on ads while your store isn't high converting. So there's a big difference between a high converting store where you have stuff like this, as seen on. You need the as seen on. This is big. And then they got some customer photos here. This is always huge to have customer photos. And then if you see here down below, they have an FAQ. So if you like what I'm sharing with you, hit the like button because we're going to be breaking this down step by step and finding out the hottest products for you so you can learn what type of product it is that you're looking to launch, my friends. And if you don't already know, I love the pet niche. I think the pet niche is amazing. So if you're looking for an awesome product, this one right here is a go-to winner, my friends. And you're going to be learning more about it right now, right here on this video. So definitely hit that like button if you're interested in learning all the secrets that I've learned over my years of experience in dropshipping. Thanks, everyone. Let's go. Dun, 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 dun. You could take this product and make your own videos or send it to an influencer that has already a dog and already doing dog videos on Fiverr. If you don't already know Fiverr, my friends, that if you have a baby store, baby products, or any type of niche, there's people that will do the videos for you and all you got to do is send them the video. So you can get your own style videos, or you want to have your name written in the sand on the beach. You could pay someone $5 to have your name written in the sand on the beach. There's always something that you could pay someone to do. So there's influencers out there where you could send your amazing product like this one, and then they could make you some videos for your TikTok channels, your Instagram channels, your Reels to get more exposure. So let's break down the product page and why I like this product page a lot. And then we'll go over here to the other store and break down why this one is even better. All right. So first things first, what makes this special, my friends, is look at the images. The images are high quality. They're specially made graphics. This does not look like an AliExpress image. You see here, this looks like almost 3D. There's no Chinese lettering anywhere near these images, which is really nice. It breaks it down. It educates the person. A lot of you don't know that if you educate the person about your product through your marketing, that is what you're kind of trying to do. You're trying to share the benefits, but you're also trying to educate them at the same time. So it's like, not only is this cover waterproof, but it's plush velvet waterproof. You see what I mean? Like, you want to really extend and educate them at the same time. So these photos here are super professional and they're all like themed out. So they have the blue theme. So they're branding it around the blue kind of vibe. You see it's really blue, nice clear lettering, plush, premium material, pet frisbee. So the images are what separate it alone. The images alone, my friends. So learn that valuable tip for your business is that you should go to Fiverr and send them your product or your product page, like duplicate your product page and say, hey, take my product page that I have now and brand it for me, and you could even share, hey, I like this pet product page, make me images for my product like they did for this pet product. I always do that in my trainings, my friend, is that I'll just make a little Vimeo recording of my screen and I'll say, hey, look, this is what I'm looking for. Can you make it like this? And this is a great product page that you could learn to brand your products around. So let's start with the description here at the top. I like that it's blue. It's matching the images here, the blue images, which is important. And then you also have high quality images. They should really have some GIFs. And you're going to learn the power of GIFs. What are GIFs, you're probably asking? GIFs are moving images, like here, where it's kind of moving. It's a moving image. So what they should have right here is a moving image right below the headline, as you see here. So this is their headline for the product description. And then now they're having like some bullet points. So it's like some one bullet point, really simple, a nice little dog emoji. They're even branding the orange color. So they got the blue and the orange, that's their brand. So even in the text here, they bold it and make it orange, which is kind of cool. It adds more to the brand. That's an important tip, as you can learn here. But you can see there's not too much text. It's just one valuable bullet point educating. It's either a benefit, and then they have another image. So what you could do here is have another GIF and have another moving GIF right below that. So you have another bullet point or benefit right here with the orange bolded area to show the power in that sentence. The light is activated by the motion. So that's the bolded area and it's orange. So you see here, it matches nicely with the description, the actual photos. It rolls really nicely. So what I recommend is if you're trying to really have a high conversion rate for your store, send this over to Fiverr and have someone make them a product page very similar to this with your current graphics to make better graphics. Okay, and then you have a baseline to look for. You have something to look for, a baseline. I really enjoyed their trust badges right here. These trust badges, 100% guaranteed, 24/7 support, easy returns, really quality looking trust badges that also match the branding of the store. And then they have the reviews, and the reviews are nice. They stand out perfectly, and you could see the product very nicely. And it looks very colorful. I love the colors of the product, and that really stands out, makes people want to buy. And that's what you want to be thinking about, my friends, is how you could make your colors stand out on your store. And this will unlock higher conversion rates, and you'll discover how to take your store to another level. So this is just a baseline, my friends, of what your graphics need to look like, what your description needs to look like, your trust badges. It needs to be custom for your brand, orange or blue, with the bold here on the important areas in the description. Not too much text, a little chunk of text, and then a photo. But instead of a photo, you should have a moving GIF, okay? But you gotta make sure if you're gonna have a moving GIF, that it's not too much size. It's only like 1 megabyte or lower in size, not big size megabyte moving GIFs. You need to have low, all right? So that is very important. So let's move on to the next store here, where this is a whole nother level of product pages, my friends, high converting product pages. And it's a hybrid type of store where it's just like, they could put a pet product in here. They could put this pet product and they could be selling it right inside this hybrid store and you would never even know. So that's the power about a hybrid store. It looks very modern on the front of it. It looks very like home, boutique-y. It looks modern, and that's what a hybrid store looks like. And so if you're getting value right now and you're appreciating what you're learning, then definitely hit that like button and hit that thumbs up, my friends, because this store is absolutely incredible, and you're gonna learn why. It's not just the home pages that matter, my friends. They do matter in building your brand, but what really matters is your product pages. That's where your conversions come from. That's where the people are going to. That's where you're sending them to. So let's take a look at these two products here, where you have this crystal lamp, okay? And we're gonna take a look at this product page, and then we'll bounce out and take a look at this galaxy projector page, okay? And then you'll get a difference on each one of these are customized for the product itself. It's fully customized, all right? So even up here, you have different, even below the price of the product. And look at the branding, my friends. Look at the colors. The colors are really important when it comes to conversion rates. You got a really light blue. They're going with a yellow button with a light blue. And they're doing that specifically for this product. Now, if we went to the other Galaxy product, it's more of a purple blue vibe. This is a yellow and light blue vibe. And they have an as seen on, which is high converting, my friends. When you have a hot as seen on, and then you got here #1 rated. And look at the moving GIFs. I think that's the main thing that you should learn from this store here is the moving GIFs are super professional. They have someone like on Fiverr that knows what they're doing. They have a team, where they hired a team to go through and make these product pages super catchy, simple, and high converting. And you see here what it takes. We have some text on the left, an image on the right, and then right below, you got an image below with some text on the right. So this looks very nice on a mobile phone. So it's like a little bit of text, image, a little bit of text, image. So it flows very nicely on a mobile phone as well. And then you got some nice reviews. And look at the coloring on the page. It's got that light blue, right, to match the branding of this product. And it's just incredible. So this is truly how you go to the next level if you're looking to have even higher conversion rates for your product pages, my friends. Look at the even custom FAQ right here. We're inside the FAQ. They even have the pictures of the product itself. Awesome FAQ. And then you have a few reviews that stand out, and the reviews are, colored for the branding of the website. This is amazing. I mean, how could you get better than this? You really can't. And what makes it unique is that each one of these products are actually customized. So even this one right here, this Aura Bluetooth, it's customized. So this is totally different than the one you saw before. It's I love the graphics, the moving GIFs, the images, everything shows lifestyle. It shows branding. So it's not so much the power of the homepage, my friends. It's good to have a modern feel. It's good to have that that luxury feel. But what really matters in the grand scheme of things is your product pages. I keep repeating myself, but here we go. This is amazing. I hope you got a lot of value from both of these stores. And what really matters is having a winning product. That's what really matters, my friends. And if that's what it is that you're looking for help for, I recommend this pet toy flying saucer ball. This thing is hot right now. It's new. The profit margins are very high. It's about a $5-6 product. And study these stores, my friends, and learn what it is that I broke down. And don't be afraid to buck up and spend some money where you can get your own customized images for your brand. So you have like an image right here, then you got a moving GIF right inside the image. I mean, this is customized. So this is what you want for your store, my friends. You want your own vibe. And you can see here, that's what makes a store high converting, is you got to have a vibe, my friends. So these are two stores that you could look at, you could copy, you can get ideas from, and you could say, you know what? This is my baseline. This is what it is that I'm looking for. This is what it is that I want to have, or what I need to have to compete in today's competitive edge of dropshipping. It's nice to have a winning product, right? It sells like crazy. It's easy. But it's another thing when you are fully optimized and that you have an amazing high converting store that really converts well, where you could squeeze out the high profit margins. And if you want that, then you definitely got to be following these tips, my friends. So if you got value from this video, hit the like button. I appreciate every one of you. My name is Scott with Digital Ecom Mentor, and I'm looking to help people just like yourself grow your ecom business and accelerate it with scaling methods on TikTok, Facebook, and I've been an expert in advertising for many years, my friends, with dropshipping. So if you're looking for help, hit that like button and check me out. Take care. Let's go.